Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Chris, a consultant family physician and a lifestyle medicine expert. Today, I will be discussing exercises that you need to incorporate into your lifestyle in order to gain the maximum benefit of fitness. Many people have asked me whether they should focus on only strength training or cardio exercises. My answer is this: in order for you to reap the maximum benefit of fitness, you will need to do both. And here is why. Cardio exercises, also known as aerobic exercises, are those exercises that strengthens your heart and your blood vessels. Hence, they are called cardiovascular exercises. So they strengthen your heart and blood vessels, making you to be more cardiovascular fit. On the other hand, resistance exercise, also known as muscle building exercise, are those exercises that helps you to build muscles. And muscles are the glucose sink. It is where your body disposes of the excess blood glucose, thereby helping you maintain a normal blood sugar level. Hence, resistance training helps to maintain your metabolic health, while cardio exercise helps to maintain your cardiovascular health. For maximum benefit, you need to be fit in both your cardiovascular and metabolic health. What are the type of exercises? Cardio exercise, also known as aerobic exercise, are those exercises that you can do while breathing, and it also increases your heart rate. For example, brisk walking, jogging, running, swimming, dancing, and even cycling. These are all good examples of cardiovascular exercises. While resistance exercises, also known as muscle building exercises, are those exercises that helps you to gain muscles, and usually you do them while holding your breath. For example, lifting weights or body weight exercises like push-ups and pull-ups. Now, if you want to do cardio exercises, it's recommended that you do between 3 to 5, you train for like 3 to 5 times a week. But if you could do it daily, it's even better. But for strength training or muscle building exercises, you will need to exercise between 1 to 3 times per week. This is because muscle grows during recovery, during rest. At the time when you're lifting weights or doing resistance training, your muscles suffer some kind of tiny injuries. But again, when you're resting during recovery, as the muscle is healing, it becomes stronger and bigger. So, and most of the muscles, the average recovery time is between 24 to 48 hours. Hence, the frequency of strength training should be between 1 to 3 times a week. But if you wish to do resistance training every day, then you may consider training different muscle groups at different days. Hence, giving the other muscle groups that you're not exercising time to recover. For example, you could train upper body on Monday and lower body on Tuesday and upper body on Wednesday. That way, each muscle group have sufficient time to recover before you exercise them again. Remember that if you want to get in shape, the most important first step is to fix your diet. After you have optimized your diet, then you can incorporate appropriate cardio and resistance training in order to reap the maximum benefit of fitness. Also, remember that if you get in shape and stay in shape, it reduces your risk of developing chronic medical conditions like prediabetes, diabetes, hypertension, cardiac disease, autoimmune diseases, and certain cancers like breast cancers, prostate, and colon cancers. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy lifestyle tips like this. Thank you. Bye.